can feel the right arm. It's actually quite difficult to stay in there. Feel the arms are wet. No, I don't feel the hook wet. No, leave it, don't stop it. Still going. And it seems to have been coming in the pocket. It's in the pocket. It seems to have filled up the pocket. Okay, right, look at that 30 minutes. Okay, Jesus, that's up your hip, right? So how we've done.
I'd laugh if a frog jumped out of your pocket.
I can feel the pocket filling up. Look at it. Can you keep that video on me there?
It's a good test for your trousers as well.
Here it comes off, right?
That's not too bad in fairness.
No, it's not like it was coming in the arm, but it's just coming in the elbow.
Turn around the back. You're actually dry.
I'm dry? Is my hood dry?
Yeah. Like, it looks like it came down two sides of your neck or something.
Let's see how deep it got. Let's see if I got wet on the inside.
Not really.
That elbow did.
Oh, that's what you felt.
Well, I don't know what was happening with that elbow.
Yeah.
That was better. Did it look good?
It looked hilarious.
Yeah, that's good. Well, I can still wear that home.
Yeah. It's true. And your bottoms?
Did you get a photo? No.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah. That's actually drier than I thought it was going to be. Better than I thought it was going to be.
I'm surprised, actually, that it didn't go down here, because the pocket seems to have been completely waterproof. How is that?
Maybe, I don't know.
Is the back of my scarf dry, yeah?
Yeah.
Here, hang on, I better do a 360 before I put anything on.
Yeah.
Just an elbow.
Yeah.
And where I went like this, what I did was I pulled up my hand.
And it went down your sleeve.
And it went down the sleeve.
That's all.
Crack, eh? And my hat is dry.
Yeah. Well, that was funny to watch.
And I didn't die.
Thank God.
I was getting in there and I was like, how am I going to do this? How am I going to get in?
Look at that bird up there.
Where?
It's gone now. Oh, no, it's still there, circling at the top of all of them. See it? It's huge.
Oh, yeah. Is it? Oh, it is a bird. I can't believe the pocket filled up and that it didn't leak. How is that possible? How did the water get in there and not go through it? Well, there you go. The shoulders are the important part.
Yeah. They are dry. Can't believe you can wear the same clothes.
Yeah. Right, well that was that.